if the AC terminal of the inverter has no output voltage or the output voltage is abnormal. Use the following solution for troubleshooting. Check whether the AC circuit breaker has tripped. Check the AC power cable connection. Check that the AC cable connection is normal. Try to pull the cable back to check that the connection is reliable. Use a multimeter to check whether the line voltage and phase voltage on the power grid side are normal. If the voltages are normal, contact Huawei technical support. Disconnect the AC terminal of the inverter. Measure the impedance at the AC terminal. Use a multimeter to measure the impedance between phases of the inverter AC terminal, as well as the impedance of A phase to N and PE. The impedance is abnormal if it is less than 1 megohm. Contact Huawei technical support.